So statement 1 can be correct in lots of cases when, say, A is a big number, say 100, B is a small integer, say 5, and C is an even small integer, say 2. Okay, so square root 100 is 10, B is 5, and C square is 4. So this holds. So this is of course possible. Such a case is possible in cases where uh, the values of A, B, and C are between 0 and 1. Peculiar cases such as, say, A is 0.89, B is 0.90, and C is 0.91. Now see the beauty. Square root A means this will be something like 0.94 something. When you take square root of 0.89, the value increases. Square root of square of 90.95 is 0.9025. So 0.89 means something like 0.94. It should be something around that. So see, although A was smaller than B, square root A becomes greater than B. B remains 0.9, and square of C, 91 square, is 8281. So C becomes the smallest while C was the greatest. So this is also possible. C is the greatest, but this way this becomes the smallest. It's also possible. This peculiar case is possible when A is a big number. Again, let's take, say, anything like 100 can be. So A is greatest, square root A is greatest, fine. B, now we want that B should otherwise be greater, but when C is squared, it becomes smaller. So sorry, C should otherwise be greater, but when squared, it should become greater than. It should become smaller than B. So in that case, we need again similar values of B and C. That originally C is greater than B, but on squaring it becomes smaller. So same values can be taken, 0.90 and 0.91. So C square root A becomes 10, the greatest. B remains 0.90, but C square 0.91 square would be 8281 again, 0.8281. So this becomes the smallest. So this condition is fulfilled. Square root A is greater than B is greater than C square. However, originally A is the greatest, 10. Originally A is the greatest, 100. Then C is the greater among B and C, 0.91, and then B is the smallest here. However, on these operations, the values change. So all three are possible. 1 were possible, 2 is possible, 3 is possible, all three are possible. The right answer is option E. A lot to learn from this question. In case you're facing problem in this question, refer to our inequations video.